Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf and welcome to part 2 of HTML for beginners. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about tags and about attributes. So let's get started. Now, tags contain important information about their contents. Now, this information allows the browser to appropriately style the contents of the tag. This information is provided in the form of attributes. Now, let's take an example of what attributes look like. So here we have a p tag, which, if you remember from the last part, stands for a paragraph, and it just prints out hello world to the browser. But if you notice in the opening part of the tag, we have two attributes, which is height and width. Now, this is how attributes are defined in tags. These particular attributes are used to set the size of the container of the content of the tag. Now, we have a demo at the end, but we're just going to take a quick look at some of the common attributes that are present in HTML. So we have width and height, which you have seen in the previous slide, which are used for sizing the container. We have style. This is one of the very important tags that we're going to be using in future videos. This is mainly used for styling, such as colors, whether it be font colors or background colors or any other colors. It's used to style fonts and a whole lot more. We have SRC, which stands for source. This is mainly used to define the source of images. Now we're going to talk about images in, I think, the coming video. There's href, which stands for hypertext reference. This is mainly used to define the source of links. We're going to be using links in this video and the coming demo. Then we have class and ID, which are used for identification, but we're not going to have to worry about those until very much later in the coming videos. We can now skip to the demo. Now, right here, I have opened up the exact same file that we've been working on yesterday. Make sure that you open it with a text editor like I did right now. Now, we're going to be particularly interested in styling a paragraph. So let's get something in here. Let's just say save the environment. Right. Now, let's say we want to make this appear green. Now, for this, we're going to be using the style attribute inside the tag. And here's how we use the style attribute. We would say font, just color, a colon, green. Now, HTML has a set of defined colors such as green, blue, red, the usual, what you would expect. And this is a special use of a certain attribute where you'd have to need quotes. Now, let's see this. Let's see this in action by opening the HTML file in a browser. There we go. We have our paragraph, and it says save the environment. Now, let's try to make this a little bit bigger, but we don't want to make it a header. We still want to keep it a paragraph, just want to make it bigger. Now, in the same style attribute, we define another style, and we're going to say font size. And let's say 16 PT. PT here stands for points. I think this should work. There we go. We have our save the environment paragraph is bigger. Now, let's say we want to make the background of the web page appear blue. Now, there's a style called background color, which we would need to apply to the body itself. So once again, we put the style attribute and we give it a property, which is background color, and we simply set it to blue. Now let's save and see this. And there we go. We have a very dark blue background. It really looks bad, so we'll just make it white again. Of course we can delete the entire style tag, the entire style attribute, because the default background color is white, or we can just set it to white right here. Now for the final part of this demo, we're going to see how to create links. So I'm going to come here and add a new tag. Now the way you create links is using the A tag. So let's create a link right now. Now, whatever is inside the tag right here is whatever is going to appear to the user. So let's say this is a link to Usersoft. Right now, if we leave this like it is and we reload this right here, we're just going to have plain text. It's not a link yet because we did not actually define the link. Now, like you saw in the slides, we use the hypertext reference attribute, which is href, like this, and we set it equal to the link. And in this case, it's www.usersoft.com. Now, if we save this and run it, and as you can see now, the link is blue and underlined to say that this is actually indeed a link. And if we click it, it cannot find the file. Yeah, because we have to put HTTP right here. So let's save this, close this, and open this in the browser again. Right, and now let's click it again and to go to usersoft.com. So this is it for this video. You saw how we can create links and how we can style. Now you have the ability to style text, style colors, and font sizes. Yeah, and this marks the end of this part of HTML for beginners. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or you need any further clarification, please leave a comment or contact me on Twitter. I'm at ysami917. The link will be in the description. And like this video if you enjoyed. Thank you very much, guys. See ya.